In this video I thought I was going to present my laboration number 3, and since I'm born between 1st and 15th November I got the version number 7 of laboration number 3, and this is my state diagram. And out of the state diagram I made this state table, and then from this I took it over to the Karnaugh maps. And this is with both Q1 plus and Q0 plus, which are the next states presented here. So you had the present state, which is Q1 and Q0, and the next state is presented by Q1 plus and Q0 plus. And here we have the inputs, which is B and A. If you look at my breadboard, you'll see a button over here, which is the clock, and this all the piece over here is my Smith trigger. These two buttons are A and B. These two red lights are showing the next state, so to say. So this is my Q1 plus and this is my Q0 plus. This is Q1 and Q0. So you'll be able to see the present state and the next state. So over to the right you have the present state, and over to the left you have next state. So if I'm going to show you, let's see if I can zoom in here. So then you see we're at 0, 0 right now, since the green diodes are off. And if I would be pressing B, or let's say A, then I would show the next state, which is 1, 1, which is also shown that it should be when both the buttons are not pushed in, or yeah. So if I would press in B, we should jump over to 1, 0, which we do. And if you wonder why this diode is showing, is just because I'm pressing the B button. It's just showing that I'm pressing the button. And if I press in both buttons, we should also stay on 1, 1, which we do. So if I would clock over to, let's say let's say 1, 1. So I clock over now. So now we're at 1, 1, or present state is 1, 1, and you can see if I don't press in any of the buttons, we should show 0, 1 as the next state, which we do here on the red diodes. But if I would press in A, we should show 1, 0 instead. Or if I press in B, we should stay on the 0, 1. Or if I press in both A and B, we should show 0, 0. So if I now jump over to, let's say 0, 1, so then I press B and clock over. So now we're at 0, 1, since the green diodes over here are showing the present state, and you can see 0, 1, 0, 1. And both next states are showing 1, 1. And if I press in A, we should have 0, 0. And if I press in B, we should have 1, 1, which we already have. And if I press in both buttons, we should show 0, 0, which we do. And if I would now jump over to, okay, how do I get there? I can go to 0, 0, and then I can go to so now we're at 0, 1. So if I would show all the states here in 0, 1, you see now we're having we're at 0, 1 at the present state, and I'm not pushing any of the input buttons B and A, or A and B, which is showing that 1, 0 is going to show 1, 0. But if I press in A, we should stay at 1, 0. If I press in B, we should show 1, 1. And if I press in both buttons, we should have 1, 1. This was my presentation of laboration 3. Thank you.